by addressing a few matters of current interest in the public domain, namely the illegal migration of our nationals. And I just want to say, with regards to reports which have been in the public domain on this regard, I want to reiterate that we are quite clear and confident that the majority of our travelers to these locations are lawful and traveling for legitimate purposes. The government of Jamaica, however, does continue to consult at varying different levels with our partners in Belize, Mexico, and Panama. We are very concerned that Jamaicans are taking decisions to travel in circumstances that are extremely risky, and in some cases taking children with them, exposing them to dangerous situations including kidnapping, trafficking, and even death. I know that some of you would have read in a particular publication that the government of Panama and the US are taking steps to tighten patrol and movement through a particular routing, which they have identified as a route for illegal migrants. And we are trying to be proactive and bring to the attention of Jamaicans that this is not a good decision to take. It is extremely risky for you personally, but it also affects the reputation of our passport, which we have been working hard at strengthening. We're increasing the security within the passport, embedded in the passport, to ensure that it cannot be replicated, that our border control procedures are stronger, our customs processes are stronger. All of these things are to seek greater facilitation of movement with a Jamaican passport. And actions and decisions like this, they really do fight against the efforts of the government, and they do affect the reputation of the passport and the immigration experience of our lawful travelers. While our numbers are relatively small, we do not want the immigration experience of our lawful travelers to get worse. We want our athletes, we want our entrepreneurs, we want our family members, we want just the ordinary Jamaican traveler seeking to exercise their right to travel to do so without difficulty, in comfort and with dignity. That according to PICA's latest statistics, between 2018 and the 31st of March this year, 143 Jamaicans were refused entry into Mexico. And in the case of Panama, for the same period, 2,167 Jamaicans were refused entry and 81 Jamaicans deported from Panama. So we want to just really remind Jamaicans to think long and hard before they take these decisions, not only for personal safety, but with a view to the bigger picture.